This will be just a swift drone video today. Morning guys, welcome along to another video. We're just off the side of Portstewart. We're actually in it. This is it right here. Little holiday town on the northwest coast of Iron. Hi. That was hilarious. You see these seagulls? They just tried to attack my drone. I had to come and land it. Oh, it's so funny. There's times I guess I wish that I had someone here with me that could be on this camera while I'm flying the drone. I have never ever been shut down from falling by birds before. Literally, I tried to take the drone up the second time. The birds were circling and I flew it way out across the other side away from them, and one big seagull in particular went straight for it. I'm pretty sure I've broken his heart whenever he found out it was a machine, and it's gone home with me. Look at them. Can you see them up here? And literally, they're up there just waiting for me to relaunch again. I'm not going to do it because I'm over the side of the water here. I'm at the cliff's edge. Like if them birds sideswipe the drone, that's it, game over. It's gone into the ocean. So let's just get some tasty shots with this camera, shall we? There's the strand over there where we were at yesterday. Look at the mist out there in the ocean. Isn't that beautiful? Alright guys, whenever I said at the start of this video it was just going to be a very swift little drone video, had no idea that it was going to be just quite as swift as that. The birds, the seagulls, 5 of them at the very end, circling over the top of me, followed me right back to the car, watched me locking up the drone, and I think I've actually broken their hearts. So, important safety tip: if you buy a drone and you take it out around the coast, watch out for flipping seagulls. That was insane. They were just, every time I took it up, they were going straight for it. Gosh, there's times I really do wish there was another set of hands here to use this camera while I have the drone in the air. But that's going to do it for today. I'm going to move on to the next position because these guys are still knocking about here. Guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Please hit that subscription button and don't forget to press that bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Please get into the description box below this video and check out my social media links down there and check out all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.